Excuse me. I'm lost. Don't worry, you're safe now. Mom! I'm so glad you're safe. I'm happy we're together.
Family always comes first.
You're safe now. He said he knew my mom. Wow, this airport is so big. Look, a giant airplane. It's amazing. Stay close to us. Never follow a stranger. Okay, Mom. Move! I'm in a hurry! That's not nice.
Look at those toys.
They look so fun.
Good morning. May I see your passports?
Of course, here they are. Here you go, ma'am. Thank you, sweetheart. You're welcome. Please wait your turn. I don't want to wait. That's not good manners. This little girl looks very friendly.
That teddy bear is so cute.
Wow! These toys are beautiful. Come on, Mom. Stay close, everyone. Look, we're here.
Are you looking for your family?
Yes, I can't see them. Your mom is waiting this way.
Huh?
Really? David, where's Lily? What? She was right behind us.
Mom? Dad?
Where are you? You're not my mom's friend. Come with me.
Lily! Lily! Has anyone seen our daughter? Please stay calm. We'll help you.
We need to find her. She's with someone disguised as staff.
Start checking every camera.
We'll find her. I found her.
Follow camera 12.
Mom said, never trust strangers. Excuse me. I'm lost. Don't worry, you're safe now.
I have to leave. Now.
We know where they are.
Please bring Lily home. No, I'm not going with you.
Come on, it's this way.
Help! I'm lost. You're safe now. He said he knew my mom. He's heading to gate 18. Let's stop him. Your parents are coming. Thank you so much. We found Lily. She's safe.
Thank goodness.
Where is she? Your family is coming. I can't wait to see them. Mom! I'm so glad you're safe. We missed you so much.
You're under arrest.
Always stay with your family. I will, Mom. I'm sorry. I'll have good manners too. If you're lost, find a real airport worker. I understand now. Can I help you? Thank you, young man. You're welcome. welcome. I remembered Mom's words.
You were very brave.
We're proud of you. Welcome aboard. Thank you. I'm ready. I'm happy we're together.
Family always comes first.
Let's enjoy our trip.
Welcome aboard. Enjoy your flight.
We're flying.
Wow.
Good manners can keep us safe. I'll always stay with Mom and Dad. That's very smart. I'm sorry, Lily. That's okay. I'll be kinder now. You can be whatever you want. Aha! America looks beautiful. We're together, and that's what matters. I will always remember this day. We made it! Welcome to America!
This is amazing.
We'll always stay together.
I promise, Mom.
Our family is strong.
Let me help you. Thank you. Good manners make people happy. Good manners keep us safe. Always stay with your family. And never follow strangers.
I will always remember this adventure.
Kindness and safety always come first. Hi, friends. Please like and subscribe to Emma Easy English for more fun stories. Thank you, friends. Bye.